Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will work on the exercise Organizing Utility Functions. You are going to create a package named Utilities. Inside that, we'll organize two different modules, one for string functions and one for math functions. Go to the project in PyCharm, right click on the packages directory, choose new, then select Python package. Let's name this package Utilities. As soon as you hit enter, PyCharm will automatically create a folder named Utilities Package with a special file inside called _init_.py. This file makes the folder a recognized Python package. This file can be empty but indicates that the directory should be treated as a package. You can then place your modules inside this directory. Next, let's create two modules inside the package. Now right click on the Utilities Package folder, select New, then click Python File. Let's name this file string_utils. Inside this file we'll write our string functions. Let's begin. Type the function definition keyword def, then type to_ uppercase followed by open parenthesis, s, close parenthesis and colon. Inside the function body, type return s.upper and open and close parenthesis. This function takes a string and returns the uppercase version. Now press enter and define another function. Type def to_lowercase open parenthesis s close parenthesis colon. Inside it return s.lower open and close parenthesis. Now you've created a string utility module. Next, let's create the second module, math_utils. Right click again on the utilities package. Choose new greater than Python file. Let's name this one math_utils. Inside this file, let's define two math functions. Start with def square, open parenthesis and close parenthesis, colon. Inside the function, return n times n. This gives the square of a number. Now define another function. Type def cube, open parenthesis, n close parenthesis, colon. Then return n times n times n. This gives the cube of a number. Perfect. We now have two utility modules, one for strings and one for math. Next, let's create main Python file to use the package. Right click on your root folder, not inside utilities, Python file. Let's name it main. Here we are going to use functions from both modules. Let's start by importing. We type from utilities import string_utils, math_utils. Now let's test the functions. Type print within parenthesis string_utils dot_uppercase within quotes hello. Let's run the program and this will print HELLO. Now print the lowercase version. Type print within parenthesis string_utils dot_lowercase within quotes world all in capital letters. Let's run the program and this will print world. Now call the math functions. Type print within parenthesis math_utils dot square within parenthesis 4. Let's run the program and this will print 16. Next line, print within parenthesis math_utils dot cube within parenthesis 3. Let's run the program and this will print 27. You have successfully created and used your own Python package split into two clean modules. This teaches you how to organize real-world utility functions into manageable files and reuse them across your project